Good morning, students. Today we are going to start English grammar, that is article in English grammar. Okay, so let's see. Articles. In articles there are two types, that is, first is definite article and the second one is indefinite article. Okay, so under definite article we can use only the. Under indefinite article we can use a and an. Okay, a and an. So we will see how to use a and how to use an, how to use the, and where to use these all three things. Okay, now let's see. A is used in front of singular countable noun. Singular countable noun means which we can count. Okay, that means singular means single. Okay, and countable noun means we can count it. Okay, for example, a person, animal, thing, which are not specific. They are not specific. Okay, they are countable. Okay, they are not uncountable. We can count them. We can count how many persons are there. We can count how many animals are there. We can count how many things are kept over here. Okay, like this. So in front of them we will use a. Okay, second point, we don't use a before uncountable or plural noun. Uncountable means stars. For example, star, we cannot count how many stars are there in the sky. Okay, but we can say, we can count things, animals, place. Okay, this we can count, but we cannot count uncountable. We cannot count stars, then sky. Okay, raindrops, we cannot count how many raindrops fell. Okay, so we don't use a before uncountable or plural noun. Plural noun means things which are more than means which are in a large number. Okay, and uncountable means we cannot count them, they are infinite. Okay, now third point is, if a noun starts with a, consonant sounds B, C, D, F, G, H, E, etc. Okay, a comes before the noun. Okay, so what they are saying, noun starts with a. Yes, obviously noun starts with a. So a comes before the noun. Where we can use a comes before the noun. What do you mean by noun? Noun means name of a person, animal, thing, which specify something. For example, which specify like Richa is a girl. So Richa is what? Richa is a girl. But what is noun? Richa. Richa is the noun. Okay. Name of the person. That then for example, there is a dog. So there is a dog. Dog is what? Noun. Okay. It is specifying the name of the animal. Now think, this is a pen. So what is this? This is a pen. Pen means noun. Okay, it is specifying, right? What is this? So where we will use a we will use before noun. Okay, and there are some consonants. For example, we know vowels. Vowel means A, E, I, O, U. Okay, these are vowels. Leaving this, remaining alphabets or letters which are there, they are called as consonant. Okay, what they are called as? Consonant. And A, E, I, O, U are called as vowels. Okay, there is difference between consonants and vowel. If anyone will ask what is consonant, okay, so what you will say, living vowels, alphabets, all remaining alphabets are consonants. For example, A is a vowel, right? A comes in vowel. So we will not take A under consonant. Okay. So living A, there is B, C, D, E. E we cannot use because E comes under vowel, right? A, E, I, O, U, right? Right, no? Let me write here. A, E, I, O, U. These 5 words, 5 alphabets, are called as vowels, right? Leaving these words, leaving these alphabets, leaving these letters, remaining alphabets are called as consonant. What they are called as? Consonant. For example, B, C, D, F, G, H. I will not come because I is in vowel. I is under vowel. Okay. J, K, L, M, N. O will also not come because it is under vowel. Okay. So the remaining alphabets are consonant and these alphabets are vowels. Okay. So for example, now where A will be used? A will be used in front of the singular. Cat is single, right? We are telling there is a cat. There is a cat. Okay. Cat is single over there. It is countable. We can count cat. Okay. And what they are saying? A is used in front of singular countable noun. Like for example, a person, animal or thing which are not specific. They are not specific. Okay. So we can use A in front of them. For example, a cat, a house, a bird, a child, a doctor, a bike, a boy, a table. Okay. Now we will see the second, that is an. Okay, where to use an? As we all know, we use an before vowels, that is A, E, I, O and U. We are using an before these alphabets. Okay, now let us see where an is used in indefinite article. So an is used in front of singular countable nouns which are not specific. This statement is similar to a indefinite article, right? Indefinite article of A. A statement is also same. A is used in front of singular countable noun which are not specific, and is also used in front of singular countable noun. What do you mean by singular countable noun? Singular countable noun means which we can count. Okay, but it should not be specifically. Okay. Okay. Second point, we don't use an before uncountable or plural noun. Same statement we saw over here in A. We don't use A before uncountable or plural noun. Yes, we cannot use A and an before uncountable or plural noun. For example, we cannot say an star, no, a star, no, the star, because it is specific, and stars we cannot count them. Okay, they are infinite. Okay, so they are in plural noun. Okay, they comes in plural noun. So what they are saying, don't use A and an before. A and an should not be used before uncountable or plural nouns. If the noun starts with the vowel sound, that is vowel as I told, A, E, I, O, U, and comes before the noun. Where an comes? Before what an comes? Before vowels. For example, an apple. A is used from vowel, right? An R. Okay. R is starting from H. Okay. Word R is starting from H, but H is a silent word. We do not take H as the first letter. Okay, it is a silent word, so we start the word from R. An R. Okay, R means time, timing. Okay, time. An ant. Okay, a is used. An orange, o is used. An uncle, u is used. An elephant, right, e is used. An ice cream, no. Okay, an ice cream, we can use an in front of a, e, i, o, u, right? Okay, these alphabets come under vowels. So where we will use an, before what we will use an? Before vowels we will use an. And where we will use a will be used in front of noun. Okay, a comes before the noun. A will be used before noun. Okay, before consonant words. For example, consonant words like B, C. Okay, a cat, a horse. These are what? Consonant words, right? These are what? Consonant words. So we can use a before them. Okay, and it will be used before vowels. Okay, before vowels an will be used, and a will be used before consonants. You should know the difference between the vowels and consonant. Okay, now next is we saw indefinite article. Now we will see definite article, that is the. Now where the is used, we use the in front of all the nouns. We use the in front of what? In front of all the nouns. Now it does not matter whether the noun are singular, plural, countable or uncountable to describe someone or something specific or unique. In this, specific and unique is used, but in indefinite article you can see which are not specific. We cannot use it as a specific for specific things, but here we can use for a specific thing, for someone, that or for a unique. Okay, for describing something unique. And the is used in front of all the nouns. Okay, the Richa. Okay, the Richa is a girl. Okay, so Richa is what? Noun. And before noun we can use the. Okay, the Richa is a girl. Okay, so it does not matter whether the nouns are singular, plural, countable or uncountable. So in this, the, where we can use the before articles or in front of articles, but now in front of nouns. But nouns can be in singular form, in plural form, in countable form, in uncountable form. Okay, for example, the earth, the moon, the sun, the air, the president, the CEO, the world. Okay.